Alright guys, Victor Isibor here. Welcome to another review on this YouTube channel. Well, they say catch them young, catch them young. So I'm catching this one young. They call this one Goldbitbank. Okay, I don't know how viral this is gonna go, but we are catching them young and taking a very good look at it. Alright. Now, if it's your first time here, well, what we do here is review of make money online and offline opportunities, helping you with your due diligence. If stuff like this is what brings you to YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Goldbitbank, right? And that's what we're looking at today. When you scroll, you say invest in digital gold and earn up to 20% daily for 20 days. All right. They call me the controversial guy, but I don't see anything controversial about me, but I just like to talk about the things that greed doesn't make anybody else want to talk about it. All right, because I don't have any bias in favor of the platform that I'm reviewing, so I look at the facts with unbiased view. All right, earn 20% daily for 20 days. They're talking about gold, be it physical or digital. Gold is gold, right? Okay, and they say that you can earn 20% daily for 20 days. All right, okay, so let me quote a very reputable body called Forbes. All right, they are an authority when it comes to finances. And look at this article. They said over the past 5 years, the price of gold has appreciated approximately 36%. All right, in the past how many years? 5 years. All right, 36%. So I'm wondering, all right, how these guys are able to give 20% appreciation of someone's investment in gold in 20 days when the gold that you and I know has done about 36, approximately, not even up to, about 36% in the past 5 years. All right, so I'll let that be and we'll go on to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, then their investment plans. 12% on a daily basis for 12 days. Minimum investment is $30. Diamond, okay, gold package is 12% daily for 12 days. Diamond, 15% daily for 15 days. Star, 20% for 20 days. Referral commissions, if you're able to bring in people that come in with between $30 to $2,500, you earn 5% from your level 1 for such people. If such people came in with $2,501 to $5,000, then you earn 7%. If your level 1 comes in with $5,001, between $5,001 to $50,000, then you earn 10%. Now level 2 is 3% and level 3 is 2%. Okay, so they have a 3-tier level referral commissions earnings, and they say their statistics so and so person came in with so and so amount of money, and you can see running days 1. Okay, so this project has been running for 1 day as at the time I'm doing this review. Okay, so you're seeing this video quite early. Okay, so the amount of money deposited and the amount of money withdrawn, and as at the time of making this video, there are just 36 members on this platform. They talk about the withdrawals they've made. They talk about their futures. They said professional team. Goldbitbank is run by a very professional and experienced admin team who are expert in handling the HYIP youth investment programs. Now, they have confirmed to us that this is a high yield investment platform or project. Okay, HYIP. So what they're telling us in essence is that, well, don't bother your head, Victor. They are not dealing in any kind of gold, either digital or physical. This is just a HYIP website with unknown people behind the scene running the platform, the website. And as soon as there's no more Peter to rob, they shut down the website, which is typical of HYIPs, and they disappear. All right, so that's what they're telling us. Let me counterpunch. I think that my counterpunch needs to start from here, that they admitted that this is a HYIP. And then again, when you go to the whois analysis of Goldbitbank, we'll see quite a few things here. Okay, we'll see that 18th of November, just a couple of days ago, was when this website was hurriedly put together, typical of HYIPs. At the moment, they're still paying because it's fresh and it's new, but typically this is not going to see the new year 2024 by my estimation. Okay, depending on how fast it goes viral, depending on the adoption. And this video, of course, is giving a little bit of popularity to the project for HYIP lovers. They will run into it, which will make it collapse faster. All right, so of course I don't recommend projects like this. The fraudsters that are promoting and floating such businesses, they enjoy your patronage. Okay, that's why they keep bringing out projects like this. All right, I don't recommend. I have better projects for you. Just hit me up with my WhatsApp link in the description of this video. Let's get you started on something legitimate, something that is non-custodial. You have access, you have control of your money, not giving out your money to some bunch of criminals behind computers manipulating digits and giving artificial appreciation to your money. All right, I don't recommend this. This is a scam, an HYIP, like they said. Thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to quickly make this by catching this ROI Ponzi scheme very young. All right, so as to limit the number of potential victims that are going to lose money to this. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.